Let's assume you know what genre you want to go toward, right? So it's going to be a cruiser, it's going to be a sport bike, and it's time to research that particular bike. Let's say you spend a lot of time looking at specs. You looked at seat height, you looked at weight, you looked at horsepower or torque or whatever the case is. And you've looked at a bunch of YouTube videos and you've watched a lot of reviews. Those are really, really helpful because you have people writing them and they're able to give you kind of their opinions on it. And then that's not going to firmly relate to your opinion on it, but it could give you an idea of what to look for or something that you're not necessarily thinking about because you haven't ridden it yet. So you've done all this research online looking at, is this the right bike for me? Is this good for riding across the country? Is this good for taking it to the track? Now it's time to really just go sit on it, and then once you go to the dealership and they have it and you sit on it, how's it feel? And a lot of people say, oh, if it doesn't feel perfect on the showroom floor, it's not the one. And that's not necessarily true because we're all built differently. So, and manufacturers know this, and there's things available to make bikes fit you better, or properly. If you've got like orangutan arms and you want to be able to feel comfortable on it and you need some mid-rise bars or something like that, then that's something that can work. You're talking to a salesman and they're like, man, there's no way. And if it's a good salesman and they're telling you this is not the one for you, no matter how many modifications we make to this thing, it's not going to fit you properly or the way you want it. It's time to go back to the drawing board and research different bikes, like what bike fits my 7-foot frame the best, and now you go about it a different way. And once you take all that information that you found online on what fits 7-foot dudes, now it's time to do the same thing and research that one.